Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kubernetes on Docker desktop for local dev, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Docker desktop application. Ensure you are using the latest version of Docker desktop. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon. In the left sidebar, select the Kubernetes tab. Check the box that says Enable Kubernetes. A prompt may appear, confirming that you want to enable Kubernetes. Click Apply or OK. Wait for Docker Desktop to start the Kubernetes installation process. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will see a green light indicating that Kubernetes is running. To verify that Kubernetes is activated, open a terminal or command prompt. Type kubectl version and press Enter. This command will display the client and server version of Kubernetes, confirming it is activated. If you see version information, Kubernetes is successfully running on your Docker desktop. To create a simple test deployment, type kubectl create deployment hello world image equals nginx and press Enter. Verify the deployment by typing kubectl get deployments and pressing Enter. You should see your hello world deployment listed. Next, expose the deployment to access it outside the Kubernetes cluster. Type kubectl expose deployment hello world type equals load balancer port equals 8080 and press Enter. Now, check if the service is running by typing kubectl get services. Find the external IP or local host address to access your application. Open your web browser and enter the address with the specified port to see the nginx welcome page. You have successfully activated and configured Kubernetes on Docker desktop for local development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.